The agricultural sector in Trinidad and Tobago creates little opportunity for the advancement of farmers and their trade. Few extension and advisory services exist, and repercussions of this are being felt, particularly in the environment. Of great concern are those environmental issues which arise from the widespread use of harmful pesticides, notably persistent organic pollutants and WHO Class 1B and 2 pesticides. These not only pollute soil and water, causing biodiversity loss, but negatively affect the health of farmers and downstream communities, which rely on rivers near farmland as a water supply and consume produce with traces of pesticides. The GEF Small Grants Program, implemented by UNDP and executed by UN Ops, plays an important role in supporting extension and advisory services to ameliorate such situations. This program funds projects carried out by local community-based organizations with goals of decreasing farmers' dependencies on persistent organic pollutants and harmful pesticides, in keeping with their mandate of improving livelihoods and sustainable development. From 2005 to 2008, the Caura Valley Farmers Association implemented just such a project in the foothills of the Northern Range with much success. Concepts in integrated pest management and ecological crop management were employed to improve farmers' yield for crops such as tomatoes, peppers and pawpaws, while decreasing input costs and environmental impacts. As with many such projects, the adoption of new concepts by farmers was faced with skepticism. However, community sensitization was achieved through workshops and discussions alongside musical and sporting activities. Having a strong support system helped to boost acceptance of these ecologically safe practices. Close relationships with the University of the West Indies, the Ministry of Agriculture, and the Center for Agricultural Bioscience International led to the provision of expertise and services needed for the project's success. Capacity development was achieved through basic, numeric, and computer literacy programs, which increased the skill set of 10 residents for more effective farm management and continued learning. It also afforded them the opportunity to network and exchange knowledge with experts and farmers from across the world. However, challenges faced were the unavailability of tutors, insufficient funds for the construction of a training facility which remains 60% completed, and the poor attendance of farmers in classes due to livelihood commitments. Increased investment in terms of financial aid and human resources from relevant government ministries could solve the first two problems, and for the attendance issue, a flexible learning program could be used whereby farmers attend shorter classes over an extended period of time. A total of 30 farmers took part in capacity building and training workshops on the replacement of conventional chemical pesticides with less harmful ones such as Neem X and the use of biological pest control methods, pest management strategies with the selective use of plants, soil amelioration techniques where newspapers were used as mulch and emphasis was placed on soil preparation, and the preservation of water quality using hillside terracing and improved low-volume irrigation systems. Active research also took place with polyculture field trials whereby production and protection practices were modified using methods such as companion planting and strip cropping. Continued relations with academia and funded research can help to monitor, evaluate and establish best practices in organic farming, setting the stage for knowledge sharing on a local and international level. Although the farmers' capacity was significantly built in organic farming techniques, little was taught on marketing, a much-needed tool to ensure demand, sustainability, and the viability of organic farming. Despite the setback, sales of organic produce from the Caura Valley over a one-year period more than doubled from 2,300 kilograms to 5,000 kilograms. Significant investment and research in developing marketing strategies alongside further networking with agribusiness agencies is deemed essential for the success of organic farming. Best practices and lessons learned from capacity development initiatives in this project demonstrate the vast potential for revitalization in the food production sector. Ultimately, this could only lead to improved livelihoods for rural communities in a holistic fashion.